Which one is going to do the job? Hey, so we're anchoring in a couple of little headers here that we're going to be using to sheetrock the sides of this. And in order to do this, I built the walls, and now we're going to have to kind of toenail some screws in. And I want to show you this. So I've got a craftsman drill here that I've been using. But the problem is that when you get in here and you're wanting to run, I don't have much room. And somebody had asked, as far as when you get into the Compact series, let me get that out of there. The Compact series from RYOBI, and this is one of them, you can get in there and take a look at this. I have all of that room. So in this area, which this is about a 10-inch area, this little piece of wood is an 8 1/4 plus an 1.5 inches, so it's 9, yeah, about 10 inches, just shy of that. And you have plenty of room to toenail those screws to be able to secure that in there. That little Compact series is just a nice little unit here. If you get into a small area, going the route of the Compact series tools from RYOBI is definitely something to look at.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.